There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not
Hi everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Nupur and I make content on fashion and styling. So today's video is all about capsule wardrobe and I'm gonna help you in building your office wardrobe from scratch within 25,000. I know 25,000 is a big number, it's a big amount. तो मैंने पास्ट में एक वीडियो बनाया था जहाँ पे मैंने 5,000 में एक ऑफिस वार्डरोब बिल्ड की थी. तो अगर आपका बजट कंस्ट्रेन है एंड यू वांट टू बिल्ड योर ऑफिस वार्डरोब so you can check out that video. But if you are the one who have a good budget and you want to spend your money in the pieces which are good quality, the pieces which will stay in your wardrobe last longer, so this video is gonna help you with that. And this video is not gonna help you to the one जिनको 25,000 में अपनी wardrobe build करनी है. Of course, if you have a budget of 15,000, 20,000, then also this video is gonna help you, because in this video the budget I will gonna show you is on the original price. These are not the sale price. Definitely I will share the price on which I bought these pieces. The whole budget of this video is 25,000. If you don't have time to wait for the sale, if you just want to buy the same pieces I'm gonna show in this video, within 25,000 you will get everything. And in this budget for this capsule wardrobe, I'm gonna include each and everything you will need in your office wardrobe, including the bag, watch, accessories, belts, everything. And with this capsule wardrobe, you can create a number of pieces. At least for 3 months, you will not gonna repeat any of the outfit if you have these pieces in your wardrobe. So yes, without any further ado, video start karte hain. First and most important thing, when you are going to create your office capsule wardrobe or any of your capsule wardrobe, so you have to decide a budget, which we have already decided. Then you have to understand the body type कि किस टाइप के clothing pieces आपकी body type के ऊपर अच्छे लगते हैं. Maybe in future I will create a video on that, but on YouTube there are so many videos which can help you to understand your body type. Accordingly you can make a choice of the pieces you are buying. Then we have to decide the colors. So I would recommend for your capsule wardrobe especially, do not spend on the pieces which are very bright and bold color. It is quite tough to mix match bold colors, so it's better to invest in neutral pieces. Of course you can add one or two fun color to your capsule wardrobe. So for this capsule wardrobe I have picked two neutral color. One is black, another one is beige color, and the third color I have is shades of blue. So shades of blue में navy blue color I have, which is again a neutral one. Then I also have a sky blue color. Sky blue color I can say it's one of the interesting one, and it is making my capsule wardrobe alive. So likewise you can add a color of your choice. I can give you some of the example of the color palette you can choose. You can see on the screen. So you can go with the camel color, you can go with the olive color, you can go with the maroon shade also. Which color goes very well with your skin tone, which color complements your skin tone, you can go with that color. You can go exactly with the same pieces. सबसे पहले let's talk about the bottoms. For bottoms I have 4 pieces, 3 trousers and 1 jeans. This is the first trouser. It's a black color trouser. It's a tailored fit trouser. I bought this trouser from H&M. This trouser in 800. There was a huge sale going on the H&M, and the original price of this trouser is 1900. जो मैंने आपको बोला था that if you have a budget of 15,000, then also this video is gonna help you. You can see I bought it in 800 and the price I have considered for this video is 2000, which is the original price of this trouser. So this is the next trouser. It is in dark beige color. Bought it from Zara. इसका जो ओरिजिनल प्राइस है it is 2599. I don't think you can buy it in sale because I have never seen these trousers in sale on Zara. And the fit of this trouser is carrot fit. Third bottom I have this light beige color trouser. It's a wide leg trouser and इसको मैंने buy किया था from Cover Story. I've never seen this trouser on the original price ever. हमेशा ये sale में ही था. 1600, 1500, even I have saw this trouser on 1100 also on the sale. 1500 or 1600 is the budget I have considered for this trouser, because I'm sure you will get it in this price range. तो यू कैन सी जो तीनों ट्राउज़र थे उन तीनों ट्राउज़र की फिट डिफरेंट थी. फर्स्ट वन टेलर्ड फिट था एंड द सेकंड वन इज कैरेट फिट एंड द थर्ड वन इज वाइड लेग. So you can also apply the same thing when you are building your capsule wardrobe. So make sure you are buying different fits in different colors. Now moving on to another category, which is top and t-shirt. So this is the first top. So I missed to show you one bottom. So let's talk about the tops later and let's complete the category of bottoms first. So this is the fourth bottom I have for this capsule wardrobe. It's a wide leg blue color jeans. You can go with wide leg. Wide leg हर body type पे अच्छा लगता है. You can also go with straight fit. अगर आपको वाइड लेग ज़्यादा पहनना पसंद है, you can go with that. Straight fit तो I'm sure everyone likes. So you can go with straight fit as well. I like wide leg more, so that's the reason I have added this. This one is again from H&M and the price of the jeans is, I have considered 2000. The price of this jeans is 2200. I'm sure in 2000 you will definitely get a good pair of jeans. Let's talk about the top category. This is the first top I have. Yeah, it's a crop top, but all the bottoms जो मैंने आपको दिखाए हैं वो सारे high waisted हैं. If you are not comfortable wearing this type of top, you can go with this type of t-shirt. I have seen people in my office wearing cut sleeves in the office. Corporate में आजकल ना इतना ज़्यादा strict dress code follow नहीं होता है. So most of the people who are working in corporate sector wear this type of top in the office, but make sure जो आपका trouser है it is enough हाई वेस्टेड. ये वाला जो क्रॉप टॉप है ये मैंने बाय किया था अगेन फ्रॉम ज़ारा. इसका जो प्राइस है इट इज 999. यू कैन गेट द सिमिलर वन फ्रॉम H&M इन अ रीजनेबल प्राइस. आई एम कंसीडरिंग द बजट ऑफ 1000 रुपीज फॉर दिस टाइप ऑफ टॉप और टी शर्ट. इफ यू आर बाइंग इट फ्रॉम एनी ऑफ द ब्रांड इन 1000 रुपीज डेफिनेटली यू विल गेट अ गुड टी शर्ट. नेक्स्ट टॉप आई हैव दिस बेज कलर फुल स्लीव टॉप. ये टॉप मैंने बहुत टाइम पहले ऑफलाइन बाय किया था फ्रॉम वेस्ट साइड. काफ़ी बेसिक टॉप है. आई डोंट थिंक कि ये टॉप अब अवेलेबल होगा वेस्ट साइड पे बिकॉज मैंने 4 years और 5 years पहले ये बाय किया था. बट दिस टॉप इज गोइंग वेरी वेल विद दिस कैप्सूल वॉर्डरोब, सो दैट्स द रीजन आई हैव एडेड दिस. आई विल नॉट बी एबल टू प्रोवाइड यू द लिंक ऑफ दिस टॉप, बट डेफिनेटली आई विल शेयर समथिंग सिमिलर. एंड फुल स्लीव्स में बेज कलर में आपको ईजिली बहुत सारे टॉप मिल जाएंगे. बट मेक श्योर जो भी आप अपनी कैप्सूल वॉर्डरोब में टॉप ऐड कर रहे हो उनके नेक लाइन डिफरेंट हो. सारे क्रू नेक के या सारे वी नेक के नेक लाइन मत लेना. एक्चुअली आई डोंट रिमेंबर द प्राइस ऑफ दिस टॉप, बट आई एम श्योर कि 1000 रुपीज़ में ही मैंने ये बाय किया होगा. लेट्स टॉक अबाउट द फन कलर आई हैव इन द कैप्सूल वॉर्डरोब विच इज दिस स्काई ब्लू कलर. So I have this top. This one is gifted, but you will find this type of top on Myntra easily in 700 or 800. I have considered a budget of 700 for this type of top. Top hai, this one is from brand Sassafras. I also have a black t-shirt. It's not a simple t-shirt. The जो neck है it is mock neck and इसके जो sleeves हैं these are कौन से स्लीव वी कॉल इट 3/4 भी नहीं है, 3/4 से थोड़े छोटे हैं. आई गॉट दिस वन फ्रॉम ज़ारा. को भी मैंने सेल में बाय किया था. आई थिंक इसका जो ओरिजिनल प्राइस था दैट वाज 1700, बट आई बॉट इट इन सेल एंड आई थिंक आई गॉट इट इन 900 or 1000 rupees में I got it. And moving on to the last piece of this category, you can see the color. It is going very well with my capsule wardrobe. This color is perfect. तो ये वाली जो शर्ट है this one is from brand Gap. मैंने इसको बाय किया था in a sale in 1500. ये सारी सेल आती रहती है इस टाइप के शर्ट्स के ऊपर. और Outright brand is also the one you can check it out on Ajio. उस पर भी आपको काफ़ी अच्छे प्राइस में इस टाइप के शर्ट्स मिल जाएंगे. सो दैट्स द रीज़न आई हैव कंसीडर्ड अ बजट ऑफ 1500 फॉर दिस टाइप ऑफ शर्ट. यू कैन सी फॉर टॉप ऑल्सो डिफरेंट कलर्स, बट आई हैव ऑल्सो kept this thing in my mind that the neckline should be different and the pattern of all the tops should be different. To complete this capsule wardrobe, I have one more piece. Let me show you first. So this is the one I was talking about. This is a blazer. This one is again from brand Sassafras. You won't believe कि मैंने इसको कितने में बाय किया था. इसका actual price was 2200 and I bought it in 650 rupees. I think 2000 is a reasonable price to buy a blazer. Luckily मुझे इतना सस्ता मिल गया, but of course 650 में तो कहीं भी नहीं मिलेगा. Then I also have one more clothing piece which is this dress. It's a beige color dress. You can see it is not office appropriate. It has these nodal stripe. ड्रेस को मैं टॉप के साथ पेयर करके एज अ स्कर्ट की तरीके से पहन सकती हूँ. ये ड्रेस 1400 की है, बट फॉर दिस वीडियो आई हैव नॉट एडेड द बजट ऑफ द ड्रेस बिकॉज आई एम श्योर कि आपके पास एक या दो ड्रेस तो अपनी वॉर्डरोब में एग्जिस्टिंग पीसेस होंगे जो आपने अपने ऑफिस में कभी नहीं पहनी होगी और आपने सोचा भी नहीं होगा कि आप उसको ऑफिस में भी स्टाइल कर सकते हो. So do give a chance to those dresses and add those pieces to your office capsule wardrobe. Now moving on to another category, which is accessories. So I have these two belts for this capsule wardrobe. This tan color looks very good with beige color, so that's the reason I have added this tan color belt also. Otherwise you can go only with black one. The price I have considered is 1000 rupees. 1000 rupees में आपको बड़े आराम से 2 या 3 बैंड का एक सेट मिल जाएगा. For accessories you will need earring, ring, so you can invest in dainty jewelry. You can check out H&M. You will definitely find something under 1000 rupees. This capsule wardrobe I will go with the one which I already have. One is this pearl earring. ये मैंने ऐसे ही लोकल मार्केट से लिया था. एक बंच में आया था जहाँ पे काफ़ी छोटे छोटे से pearl earring थे एंड 100 रुपीज़ में 5 और 6 पेयर थे उसमें, तो इट इज़ वेरी वेरी रीजनेबल. एंड द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट एक्सेसरीज इज वॉच. So for this capsule wardrobe, I will be going with this watch only. I am not considering the original price of this watch for this video because ये मुझे मेरे husband ने gift की थी and feel you will definitely get a good quality watch in 3000. Do check out Titan, Casio. These two brands I has very good quality. You can see on the screen these watches I would recommend you. And 5000 is a very good budget for 3 good quality pair. We are talking about capsule wardrobe and we will not increase the number and we will try to keep as minimum as we can. So for this capsule wardrobe I will go with 2 pair only. One is this black color block heel. This heel will go with each and every piece. But for Fridays, who would like to wear heels on Friday? I don't think we like to wear heels on. So I have a pair of these sneakers. तो के heels से उनका price is 2000. These are from brand Luna Blue. ये वेस्ट साइड का एक ब्रांड है. जो प्राइस है it is 1500. Not in sale, without sale में ही इनका प्राइस 1500 है, which is quite reasonable. But trust me, these are very very comfortable. You will not feel that you are not wearing a high quality brand. And yes, the last thing and most important thing is still left, which is our office bag. So do invest in a good quality tote bag. That I have a budget of 2000. जो मेरा बैग है, लेट मी शो यू द बैग. आई एम गोना गो विद दिस बैग फॉर माय कैप्सूल वॉर्डरोब. इट्स अ प्रीटी ओल्ड बैग एंड इसकी शेप थोड़ी सी खराब हो गई है एंड इफ यू नो एनी हैक डू शेयर इट विद मी. आई लव द कलर ऑफ दिस बैग एंड दिस इज गोइंग वेरी वेल विद माय कैप्सूल वॉर्डरोब. सो यू कैन सी ऑन द स्क्रीन द होल बजट ऑफ दिस वीडियो. दिस इज द ब्रेकडाउन ऑफ द ट्राउजर, दिस इज द ब्रेकडाउन ऑफ द टॉप and this is the breakdown of the accessories, the footwear and the bag. So now the time is to style this capsule wardrobe and give you the idea how you can style these pieces. I will try to create somewhere around 40 to 50 outfit with this capsule wardrobe, and I think I should stop talking and you can see how I have styled these pieces.
We talk on the phone every night. Love to hear your voice. Not sleeping well. And I know that you're right, but you should know it. You've been gone for way too long.